Hey guys, I hope you all are fine. You all are welcome to see Blue Land Cleaning website review. In this video, you all will get to know that whether the website is legit or it is a scam. Guys, this is not our website, so the review is totally unbiased. So, let's have the quick review of this homepage. So in the starting they have mentioned that there are free shipping over $35 with free returns. Also, they have mentioned that a cleaner planet starts at home. So there is some description that how it works. And this is very effective cleaning power with non-toxic ingredients, as they have mentioned that. So let me tell you guys, Blue Land is reimagining CPG to eliminate single use of plastic packaging. Basically, they are starting with cleaners sold as the cleanup kit, like 3 forever bottles, 3 different nickel sized tablet. So basically this website is for the cleaning purpose. And guys, this is the product. Refill is the new recycle, and these are the spray bottles, the everyday cleaning kit. Also there are some reviews for it, and this is their mission, so you can check it out from here. Okay guys, let's check it out the menu section. So in the menu section they have mentioned that how it works, their mission and so on. So let's check it out about their kits. So basically there are kits which include 3 forever bottle with 3 different nickel size tablet. Let's check it out how it works. So there is some video, you can watch it out from here. Okay guys, so let's check it out other reviews. So let's check it out their mission. So in this page they have described about their mission to cleaning purpose. So at Blue Land, cleaning up our planet start with cleaning our home, and that's true. Okay guys, let's check it out their contact. So this is their contact us page guys. So if you have any queries, so you can fill your name, email ID, subject and the message you want to ask and submit to them. Also they have mentioned that you can check it out what do you need help with. So let's go to the home page. So according to me, this website is legit, as there are very good Google reviews for it. Also guys, I have searched out the trustworthy rating, so there are very good trustworthy rating. Also customer satisfaction is very positive, so as per my concern, replacing and purchasing order from this website is very relevant. So if you like my video, please hit the like button, and if you want to escape from the scam website, so subscribe to this channel. Do share your comment in the comment box below. Share your experience with this website. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you so much. Bye bye and take care.